In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Shopify stores and owner information. When you come across a Shopify store and want to learn more about who's behind it, the best place to start is the store itself. Open the website in your browser and begin by looking at the main navigation menu, usually found at the top of the page. Here, you're specifically looking for links labeled Contact Us or About Us. These are the most common places where store owners share details about their business and how to reach them. Start with the Contact Us page, click on it, and carefully review what's there. Many Shopify merchants list a contact email, a contact form, or sometimes a physical address and business name. Take your time to see if it includes the specific information you're trying to find, such as general contact details or clues to who owns or manages the store. If you don't see what you need on this page, that's completely normal. Go back to the navigation menu and this time, look for the About Us page. The About Us page often tells the story of the brand, and in some cases, it may mention the founder, the team, or the company behind the store. Again, scan the page for any relevant information, like names, locations, or additional contact options. Sometimes there might also be links from this page to more detailed profiles, like a blog or a team page. If you still haven't found what you're looking for, don't worry. Your next move is to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the site, to the footer. The footer is a section that appears on every page and often repeats key links. Here, look again for anything like Contact Us, contact information, support, or similar wording. These links sometimes lead to a different contact page or provide extra details that weren't visible in the main navigation. Click any relevant link and check if the section reveals more concrete information about the store or its owner. Finally, check whether the store has linked any social media accounts. These icons are usually found either in the header at the top of the page or in the footer at the bottom. They might link to platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Visit these profiles because many businesses list owner names or more direct contact details there. Social media bios and about sections can give you additional context about who runs the store and how to reach them. By following these steps, you'll have a simple and reliable way to explore a Shopify store and uncover the key information you need about the business and its owners.